What is up, my new friends and family? I'm Charmx, and today I'm going to be reacting to how to hack a vending machine by How To Basic. Now, this video has like a really high like ratio on it, which is different compared to normal How To Basic videos, because normal How To Basic videos, they normally have a little bit higher of a dislike ratio, but this one, I mean, the like ratio is really high, so I'm not really sure how this is going to differ from like the normal How To Basic videos. Anyway, with that being said, the original link's in the description. Hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you go subscribe to How To Basic. And without any further ado, let's begin. Educational purposes only. So is this like legit? I mean, normally How To Basic doesn't give like a warning at the beginning of his videos. I want some. Wait, this isn't really hacking it, you're just purchasing stuff. Life hack, don't break the law. I was gonna ask, you know, does this actually work, putting in these numbers in this certain order? But it turns out that wasn't the hack. Throwing an axe at the glass was the hack, apparently. So did you buy a vending machine just to make this video? Or is this vending machine in like a mall somewhere and you're like, you know what, we're gonna film here. We're gonna film here, we do it fast, we get out, no one will see it. Such a waste of soda. Why? Is that a shelf? I can't believe you've ruined a vending machine for a video. That's crazy, and it was definitely unexpected. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this video. This was very educational. I mean, they should be teaching this to all the kids. Anyway, if you did like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, possibly share with a friend if you're new, and subscribe and join the family today, and also make sure you go subscribe to How To Basic. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Boop.